to Mahanadi Prime Media Productions. Dear friends, you see, we are in the bank of river Mahanadi, and today we are going to show you a very nice scenery. You see how the rain has been distributed each and every corner of the earth. Today is September 11. You see, there is a rain, massive rain going on in the mountain range of Rarakul. You see, this is the mountain range of Rarakul, and this is the spot where the rain is continuing now. You see, it's very nice. You see, have a common idea. You see how other part you see it's very easily visible the mountain, but this particular portions you see, this is edgy due to the heavy rain there, and it's just not too far from Sambalpur city, just within 15 kilometers from here. And if you go through the aerial view, it is just 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometers. So you see, dear friends, in the month of September we are having rain, but you see in most of the part of the world, basically Europe, there is no rain, and heavy heat temperatures is now 44 degrees there in most of the European countries. So we are better than any others. You see, dear friends, you see, in the many areas is covered with mountain. This area covered with mountain, and this particular range now it is rain somehow become stop, and it is now clearly visible. So dear friends, be not cut the tree, protect the environment, protect the forest, because it is our life and essence of our life circle. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.